Knock knock. iPhone 16 Pro is here. Let's do subscribe and likes for my effort. Okay, start our job. Apple is gearing up to launch its much anticipated iPhone 16 Pro in September 2014. This model will be part of Apple's new flagship lineup alongside the iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. As one of the most premium devices in the series, the iPhone 16 Pro is set to offer a host of upgrades and new features. The iPhone 16 Pro will feature a larger 6.3-inch display up from the previous model's 6.1 inches. Apple will introduce a new capture button across the iPhone 16 lineup in addition to the action button. This button will offer several functionalities including autofocus and capturing photos or videos with different pressure levels. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to be available in black, white, silver, natural titanium, and a new rose gold or bronze shade. The new iPhone 16 Pro will be among the first to use Samsung's M14 OLED panel, which promises superior brightness and a more vibrant display. It could reach up to 1200 nits of brightness, offering a 20% increase over current models. The phone is also rumored to feature thinner bezels thanks to water reduction structure technology, making the display more impressive. iPhone 60 Pro's camera system will include a 48MP ultra-wide sensor that enhances low-light performance. The main camera will use the 48MP Sony IMX803 sensor for even better image quality. The iPhone 16 Pro will be powered by Apple's next generation A18 Pro chip. This processor is expected to have a more advanced neural engine, improving AI and machine learning tasks. Additionally, the Pro model might include Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem for faster and more efficient 5G connectivity. It will feature a 3577 mAh battery. The device will support 40-watt wired charging. Apple is expected to reveal the official price during its launch event. Thanks to watching my video.